Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today I have a Tesco's grocery haul for you. It's a big haul. There's over 100 items in this haul. I paid just over £100, but there's, apart from sausages, there's no meat. It's mainly a baby food stock up, pantry refill. If you saw my last video, I did a pantry makeover. Go check that out. I'll put it up above for you to check it out. And this is basically to restock it. Also, we have family coming this week, so I want to have plenty of snacks and food for everyone. So let's get started. So the only two frozen items are some ice cream, vanilla ice cream. This was on offer, £2. It's usually £3.50. And some French fries. Let me put this straight in the freezer. Fruit and veg, we have some carrots. There's also some strawberries, blueberries, bananas, celery, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, mango, and some, believe it or not, oranges. They're tiny, they look like satsumas. Okay, so I think that's it. Fruit and veg. And then I did get some gammon as well, or ham. It's a, we call it in the UK gammon joint, but it's basically an uncooked ham, which I'm going to cook this afternoon in the slow cooker. 2 things of smoothies. I actually ordered different flavors, but they didn't have them, so they replace it with another one of these, which is fine. 2 things of dips. It's 2 for £2, and these are also on offer for £2.50 each. 2 things of ham, and as it says, 2 for £3. A big chunk of cheddar, some salted butter, some yogurts for Aussie, some string cheese, as well as some Baby Bell. There's the sausages, 2 things of sausages, some full fat milk for Aussie, and some semi-skimmed milk. I'll tell you what that is for in a minute. And then over here we have a thing of eggs and farmhouse bread. Okay, on this side I got some of this. I've never tried this before. Look at that. No added sugar. Apple, banana, peach and carrot juice. I thought that would be quite good fun. Basically, I bought some of this baby food brand. This is a Polish brand for Oscar. He really likes it, so I'll show you because I've got some more today. But they also have some juice, so I ordered one to try out. It looked really good. Fizzy pop, I got Fanta lemonade here and some Coke there, Diet Coke. 2 things of ready salted crisps. Got some rigatoni here, some mini wraps. Showed you the Diet Coke, and a big variety pack of crisps. This is the 30-pack variety snacks, crazily crunchy. We get onion rings, cheesy puffs, and bacon rashers. Now, I've still got what's in these 2 baskets here to show you, but let me show you as well. On here I have some nappies for Aussie. Okay, this was $4.99 for 72. Incredible value. Just realized that I ordered the wrong. These are fragranced. I usually buy the unfragranced variety, which are in the blue pack. I'm sure we'll make use of them. And then I've got some Febreze. This is a Thai orchid, is it? Thai orchid, yeah. Water-based formula. And I also got Spring Awakening clothes softener. I've made some room over here. Let me show you what else we've got. We have some pitted queen olives. I love those. 2 things of hot dogs. 2 things of oat milk. I went for 2 brands. Now, Paul really liked oat milk, so no more soya milk, I don't think. But we tried Oatly. We really like this brand. But I thought, oh, Tesco's has got their own. I bought 1 for him to try. He goes for about 2 a week, and he's got some already in there, so there'll be plenty. But if he likes this one, I'll buy this one. So it's cheaper. It's £1, £1.60. It is on offer currently, so it's been £1.20. I'm out of breath there. Some rice cakes. I love these with peanut butter and banana. Some crumpets. Some flapjacks. Bagels. Doritos. And some instant lattes. So we have some cocoa powder. 2 more things of pasta. This is penne pasta and this is spirally. Is it spirally? Spirals, basically. I also got some midi breadsticks. There's some more smoothies there. Some chia seeds. Color catcher. A little thing of paprika. It's one of my favorite things to use. And 4 cans of beans. They were like 4 for £1, I think. Finally, you guys, the baby food. Look at all this. Okay, let me start with this. Got this tomato and basil melty sticks. And from Ella, I also got these melty puffs. Oscar loves these. I then got 3 things of biscotti. It was 3 for £2 or something like that. Anyway, it was on offer. So I went ahead and got 3. They're all different. Mango and apricot, apple and banana biscotti there. And then this is in the Polish food area. It's baby food, basically. No sugar added. Strawberry, apple, banana and carrots. There's 3 different flavors. I got 10 of each. Usually these are 60p, which is still a good price. But they were on offer for 39p. So I stocked up, you guys. It's only 3 different flavors, like I said. But Oscar has normal fruit and veg and rice and pasta, all of that. So this is just like a little side snack. It will last me a long time. So there you go. One of the flavors is strawberry, apple, banana and carrot. There's apple and banana. And I think the other one, banana and apple. Oh, okay, that's a bit banana and apple, apple and banana. There you go. So yeah. Anyway, loads of those, as you can see. Now the fun really begins, putting all this stuff away. You can hear Ozzy behind the door. He's just there. So I wanted to ask for your help. I'm really struggling to find salty snacks, or shall I say savory snacks, that are not crisps. We are a family of snacks. We love all different types, but it's really hard to find a snack, but it's ready to go and it's yummy. At the moment, we've got pretzels. Again, I got these. These are crisps, but different. They're not like the potato flavored ones. I picked up some breadsticks for dips and things, but I want things that I can just pick up from the cupboard and they're ready to go. So I don't want to have to spread stuff on them. So let me know in the comments what you like. And please don't say Rivita. Rivita's worse than cardboard in my eyes. Plain anyway. So yeah. Let me start with this. I also wanted to say to you, so we have family staying over. They're actually staying in a different house a few doors up. We have what we call a welfare house or family house. So when family comes to visit, if you don't know, we're a military family, so none of our family is around. So there's somewhere where they can stay, because obviously we have no room here. There will be 6 of them. So my mother and father-in-law, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law and their 2 children. They're staying at that house. We're going to do most of our meals together, but they're going to have breakfast at their place. So I wanted to put together a few items, a little basket for their breakfast. I'm sure they'll bring their own stuff, but I thought it would be nice. So I will show you in a bit what that is going to look like as well.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, 'cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now. feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed. We're the same, and we skip the small talk. Cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out. But I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed. We're the same, and we skip the small talk. Cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Skip the small talk. It's been a while now. Skip the small talk. It's been a while now. Skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed. We're the same, and we skip the small talk. Cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we were.
So I mentioned that I was going to put together a little basket for breakfast food for when the family's here, so in case they've forgotten. I have a feeling they're probably bringing their own stuff, but if they're missing anything, I have spares. I have loaf of bread, just went for a white farmhouse just because kids can be really fussy with bread. I also picked up some of these instant lattes if they fancy it. I have plenty of tea that I can do a little package for them. I'll ask them when they get here what they want. They will also be more than welcome to take some fruit. And for sure, the kids might enjoy some smoothies in the morning. There's cheese and ham, plenty, all that kind of stuff as well. I got a little block of butter, so if they didn't bring any butter, they can take that over. And I got this little pint of semi-skimmed milk, just in case there's no milk there, because the one we have here is full fat for Oscar and Alex. So yeah, they can, if they want jam, I've got jam at the back. I'm happy to do whatever they want.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
And that is it for this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you're all doing well. I am so looking forward to spending some time with our family, so I'll see you soon. Bye.